Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you why your Schlage lock is not working and what's actually causing this particular issue. Now, the most common reason why the Schlage smart lock stops working is the weak batteries. So even if the keypad lights up, the batteries may not have enough power to move the lock motor properly. So in this case, you just have to first of all remove the battery cover. Afterwards, you just have to simply replace the batteries and make sure that you replace all the batteries with the fresh alkaline batteries. Avoid mixing the old and the new batteries because that can cause the power issues. Now, if the keypad is completely frozen or the buttons are not responding, you can try restarting the lock. In this case, you just have to first of all remove one battery, then simply wait for at least 30 seconds and then insert it back. Now this quick power reset can fix temporary software glitches inside the lock. Now if the lock beeps but the deadbolt doesn't move, the issue may be with the door alignment rather than the lock itself. So you can open the door and then you can just simply test the lock again. If it works normally while the door is open, then pressure from the strike plate or the door frame is blocking the deadbolt movement. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.